What does it say?
Is that bird doing that?
93. That's a bummer. Yep, that's how he begs.
Really?
Okay.
We're going to give him just a tiny bit so it shouldn't hurt too much if it's just a little bit colder. We're just going to give him, it's just a snack. You ready? Now watch closely. Wait a minute,
It's
baby.
moving.
Now watch. Do you see this little pouch right here that's white?
Yeah.
That's actually part of his stomach called his crop. And when he eats, it goes all the way down his neck to his crop, and his crop gets bigger with the food.
Oh.
Really?
Yep. All right, here we go, baby.
Oh my goodness.
He wants more. Okay. Okay. Good.
It's getting bigger.
Look do you see it's going down his neck? Do you see that little bit of white there? When he stretches his neck, see how it's white? Okay, okay.
Wow, Chandler, what's going on, bud?
Aren't they funny? Okay, okay. Oh, you messy boy. Like that.
It's all of it.
It's all gone.
So that's all they get right there? They have to sit them out?
It's not even his feeding time.
Uh-huh.
They normally get 10 cc, so about up to there.
Oh.
You're done, baby.
Huh.
So look now, look at his crop. It's going to be bigger because he's got all that food in it. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
All the
Oh
food
my
inside his
goodness.
crop. Pretty neat, isn't it?